Well, good morning, everybody. I'm out here practicing. We got some light winds, so I've taken advantage of it. I'm just doing some practice flying around. You can see some of the work that I've done on the bamboo fence since last time you've seen, and I have finished the rock wall, and I'm getting most of the cap rails on the fence. You can kind of see that as we fly around. Yeah, up here as we go, you'll see the cap rails and then the rock wall down at the bottom. I did leave one opening in the rock wall so I could get in behind it on the fence, but there's the cap rails on the left. There you go. So there's a better look at the rock wall. Anyway, I just this video is nothing more than just a practice flight. So um, and I'm trying to learn to stabilize the drone better, because it wants to rock around when we get in the breezes and stuff, and it gets a little bouncy. Right there, I just crashed into the tree and stuck to the tree. So yeah, I still need a lot of practice. So that's basically what this is about. And it's just fun for me because I need practice on editing and videoing and keeping the camera stable in the drone, and just moving around. So anyway, enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Aloha.